Hi there, it's Vera here. Welcome to my Facebook page at Tech Hacks. For more videos, you can visit my page at Tech Hacks. Today's video is going to be about creating a choice board that your students can click on any activities. It can take them to the links you want them, as well as take them within your slideshow and connect to your Google Classroom. To do that, you need to start off with a Google Slides template. I'm using this fun iPad template. I can share this iPad template in the link below. And in this template, I created boxes with the activities that I want my students to be interacting with. So with this template, I just wanted to show you how it quickly works before I explain it. So I'm going to go into present mode. And when I want my students to click on a subject, for example, gym, it's going to take them to another template where it's going to give them all of the gym activities that I want them to be doing. So for example, I want them on a whiteboard to draw their favorite sports activity. So if my students click on the whiteboard, it's going to take them to our Jamboard. I want them to physically be doing yoga. So I attached a YouTube video that teaches them step-by-step yoga for kids. I have an exercise worksheet over here. When they click on it, it'll take them right into it. I want my students maybe to create a video on their superhero's biggest achievements. And maybe I also want them to share a sports game that they can play at home by recording their voice so that all of us can hear it. So there's obviously many choices that you can do, but how do we link all of that so that our students can see? And how, from this page, do I get my students to go back to the original page by pressing the home button? By pressing the home button. So let's begin with. So first thing, create the template that you want. You can do any boxes. It doesn't obviously have to be in an iPad format. This is simple. I just created boxes by clicking insert, you can do either text boxes, or I like using shapes, and I just chose the rectangle shape for these boxes and outlined them with a black border. And I got the images by clicking on images, insert image, and clicking search the web. So I search for things like cartoon gym or cartoon geography, and that's how I got these images here. Now I want to link each box to a separate slide. To do that, click on the box, click Insert, scroll down to Link, and it's asking you which slide do you want to apply this to. So I applied it to slide 2, and then click Apply. So when I click on it now, it's taking me to my second slide, which is exactly what I wanted it to do. So one more time. Let's say I wanted to link this one. Right click on it, go to Insert, go to Link, and it's going to ask me, well, which slide in the presentation do you want to link it to? Well, I want my geography to be on slide 3. It's asking me, do you want it on slide 3? Click Apply. And now let's test it out. I click on slide 3. Perfect. It's taking me to my slide 3, my second template. So that's how you link every single one of them to your slides. Now, I want to go into my first subject, gym. So now we want to link every activity separately. So let's say you want to link this whiteboard to your Jamboard assignment in your Google Classroom. What do you need to do for that? Go into your Google Classroom. So first create the assignment. So create assignment in your Google Classroom. So we'll type this whiteboard sports activity. submission, click add. So you should have already your Jamboard ready. So watch my other video on how to create a Jamboard. Here's my Jamboard for the students. Click add. This time I want each student to have their own copy because I want them to interact with their own Jamboard. So I'm going to click make a copy for each student. You can select a due date if you want. You can select which students or all students. And I'm just going to say this is ungraded since it's a choice board, and I'm going to click assign. Now the whiteboard goes to the top. I'm going to drag it to my topic, choice board submissions. And now click on the three dots. Do you see how it says copy link? You can also click on it to see, is this the right assignment? So you can go on view assignment, go under instructions. So once you see the proper assignment, click on the three dots. Click on the three dots of the actual assignment, click copy link, go into your presentation, make sure you outline the image and the writing. So I'm going to select my writing here, click insert, click link, copy paste the link from our Google Classroom submission, click apply. So now we can check whether it's going to take us to the right place. Perfect. It took us right into the activity. So the students will right away be able to click on the activity. And because we did make a copy for each student, they can begin working on it immediately. So there's the whiteboard. Our students can begin interacting immediately, and it's already going to be shared with you because we make a copy for each student. Let's say we wanted to link a PDF exercise worksheet. Same thing, select the image, click insert, click link, and attach the PDF that you want your students to interact and click apply. If you wanted them to record an audio, you can select to a free audio recording page, or maybe again, you can have them submit this within their Google Slide by clicking insert, audio, and then your students can share an audio with them talking about a sports game at home. So these are just multiple ways that not only can you link a slide to a slide, but you can also link each activity to your classroom, to YouTube video, to external worksheets or external applications like a puzzle. This way, your students can have multiple choices for each subject. So this was just gym class. but you can do it for each subject, and you can put dates so that your students know when everything is due or potential due dates for them. Another cool feature is for them to always return back to the main page so that they can select subject. Make sure you link this home button, or you can even type go back to page 1 and link that. So click on that, click insert, click link, and if you want it to be back to slide 1, then you click apply. So again, I'll show you. You have a choice to select which slides in the presentation. So I wanted slide 1. And there we go. It took me back to slide 1. I hope this video was helpful. For this video and more videos, visit my Facebook page at Tech Hacks.